Hi guys, welcome to this wonderful video. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you could actually make money from writing even without having a website. Okay, if you don't have a website, you don't have the stress of reading a blog or something like that, but actually want to make money, from your hobby of writing. Okay, I could actually teach you how to make money out of writing in this video, so make sure to watch to the end and let's get started guys. Welcome back guys, welcome to the channel CTS Enterprises. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm Dima. In this channel I teach you pretty much about trading, investing, marketing, e-commerce, and a lot when it comes to making money online. So this kind of content is what entices you. Make sure to smash the subscribe button here, enable notifications so you get alerted whenever we drop awesome content like this, and also drop a like at the end of this video if you found value from it. It actually helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now you guys know, as usual, we're always doing a giveaway. We're doing a giveaway of our ebooks. So since this is a digital marketing video, we're doing a giveaway of our digital marketing ebook. It's a very awesome ebook, so make sure to sign up down below. All the links are going to be down below. Make sure to sign up down below and get this for free, okay, instead of paying this $10 here on the site. So let's get started guys. Now this video is going to be in two parts. Okay, there's going to be a part for those who don't actually have the hobby of writing or the skill of writing, but they who actually want to make money out of writing, but they don't have any skills at all, like I said. So, and the other part is going to be those who are already and those who are ready, okay, those who have the skill of writing beats, news, articles, stories and all that. Okay, they have the skill. It's just about them monetizing the skill. So the latter part of this video is going to be for you. But what does these two parts have in common? These two parts has in common that you don't actually need a website at all to actually start making money, okay, out of this. Okay, so you can start up right off the bat with what I'm going to show in this video, whether you're someone without skill or you're someone with skill. So now let's start with those who don't have the skill of writing. Now if you don't have the skill of writing, don't worry, okay, I got you covered. Now all you just need to do is to go to this site called Google News. Now here on this site, this is a site for where Google actually curates news content, okay, articles, okay. So you can actually outsource from here, okay. So you can actually work smarter and outsource your articles from here. Okay, all you just need to do is to find the right article. Google is just a library of resources on its own. Okay, it's like one of the biggest library of resources in the world, if not the biggest. So you can actually leverage this to your advantage. Okay, so all you just need to do is to pick a niche, pick something you actually want to focus on. Okay, in this case, let's say we want to make an article on business. Okay, so here I've already clicked business. Now, but here, by the way, all the links are going to be down in the description. Don't even stress yourself. The link to Google News, everything, all the links I mentioned, they are going to be down below. Just go to the description box below and just help yourselves. Okay. So now what you just need to do is to look for evergreen content, as I call it. Okay. So not everything here is actually good for what we're actually talking about. Okay, so we have by the way, you have to understand that there is actually evergreen content and there is trending content. Trending content is, let's say, something like this. Okay, let's say something like oil price hits 90 for the first time since 2014. You know that tomorrow, next week, next month, oil is not still going to remain at this price. This news will become obsolete unless maybe someone wants to look back in time. Okay, that's only when this thing remain relevant. Besides that, it's just going to be it. Okay, it's just news for now. Like, it's a breaking news, as the name implies, breaking. Okay, so this is trending content. But evergreen content is something that people will read even 5 years, a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. People are still going to read this and it's still going to remain relevant. Let me show an example. Let's try to scroll through. Okay, I see something nice. This is this article. Now this is business and Bitcoin, vital things to know. Now from the title, I've not read this article, but from the title alone, I know that this article is going to remain relevant for a very long time. Okay, so because a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years, 10 years from now, even 20 years from now, people are still going to want to learn about Bitcoin and business. Okay, so this is evergreen content. This is the kind of content I personally like writing about. You can choose anything you want here, but it's because I only recommend what I do. Okay, so if you want to do it with me, then fine, and I recommend what's the best for my own research and my own experience. Okay, so now let's click on this article. Let's open it on a new tab. So you're going to see the article in its full form. Okay, so all you just need to do is to actually do something for me, which I'm going to show you. Now this is the article. Now obviously we're not going to copy and paste this directly to our to the other side of this video, because that's going to be what we call plagiarism. It's not good. It's actually copyright infringement. So what you're going to do is to paraphrase this, to change, to kind of change it a bit. Okay, and don't worry, I'm also not going to be doing that yourself. Okay, I'm trying to make you outsource this thing so that it can be easier for you, as much as possible. Okay, so now we're going to outsource this, and the tool we're going to use for this is a tool we call Qbot. Okay, qbot.com. I'm going to leave the links to everything down below, so don't stress yourself. I'm going to leave everything you need, everything I'm showing in this video down below. So what this bot does is it actually paraphrases. Okay, let's say, okay, now in this article we want to start paraphrasing this. We pick this, let's say we pick this paragraph, we'll go over to Qbot and then we'll paste it here, and then when we press paraphrase, Qbot is going to change this, switch this a bit and paraphrase it so that it doesn't look exactly like the former lesson, but it's actually saying the same thing. You can see what it's doing. It has changed this in certain ways, and now we actually have this new version. Okay, so I can copy this and then paste it on a Google Docs file. Okay, so compile it on a Google Docs file. So it's basically a simple process. You go here, you drag, let's say, paragraph. Okay, you go over to Qbot, you paste it, and then you paraphrase. You copy the paraphrase version of your paragraph or your article, and then you come over here and then you put it on your Google Docs. Okay, you keep doing that until you actually finish the whole article. Okay, I cannot do that all of that in this video. It's going to make this video very long. So that's pretty much it. So by the end you have another version of this which is slightly different from what we have here. Okay, so now you keep down your Google Docs. Now let's go back to the second part of this article, this video, which is where we actually talk about how to monetize this skill. So now you, without a skill, now actually have articles that you can actually make money from, and those with the skill actually know how to come up with articles and stories and copies to actually make money from. Now we are at the same place. Now let's proceed to something that's going to interest both of us. Okay, so now the first monetization platform is actually Medium. Now there are a lot of places there are a lot of ways you can actually monetize article, blogs, even a lot of platforms like Medium, but I'm just going to recommend the ones I see as the best. Okay, in fact there are two. Then I'm going to recommend a bonus, which is actually something slightly different. We're going to talk about that. But now the first one is Medium. Now Medium is for me the number one platform to actually read and create content. Okay, especially articles. Okay, that's written form of content is like the number one for me. So if you don't have a blog, this is the best place for you to get started. As you can see, I have an account myself. Okay, so all you just need to do is to create a Medium account. It's like creating a Facebook account. Is literally a minute or so. And now what you need to do is to now, when you have you have logged in, when you have something like this, now you go over to your icon here. Now you can see where you see the Medium partner program. Okay, now you want to join this. Okay, so you want to join this and then get started ASAP. Okay, so I'm already a member. I'm already a member. So if you're not a member, it's going to show instructions to actually do this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you go over to the partner program and you become a partner. What it means is that you can actually monetize your content and become one of these guys. You can see articles that have star. Yes, articles that have star. This means that this guy is making money out of this article. When people read this article, then he makes money. Whoever he or she is a he actually. So whoever he is, Matthew, is going to make money out of it. Same with this. Same with these ones are not monetized. Maybe the owners made it free. Same with this. So that means you could actually be one of them if you had successfully joined the partner program. And you could make a lot of money, guys. You could make a lot of money. Don't underrate it. It's actually crazy money if you actually get enough traffic. Okay, if you actually get enough people reading your article. So the next is actually vocal. Okay, so vocal.media. I'm going to leave all the links down below. Okay, part of the reasons why I'm leaving the links below is so that once you click those links, it takes you to where you're supposed to be. So you're not, you don't land up in the wrong place. In fact, let me put it that way. Okay, so make sure to go down below and use the links I leave in the description below. Okay, so now this one is vocal.com, which is my second favorite. Okay, so as usual, you just go and you create an account and you go over here to wallets, where you have something like the Medium partner program. This one is for wallet. You go there, it's going to show you how to set up. These things are very pretty simple. Okay, I already have accounts, so pretty much I can't show how to actually get set up with this, but it's very, very simple, like in seconds. You just click a button here, click the other one, maybe confirm a few information here and there, and that's pretty much it. Now the third one is something slightly different. Now this is Clear Voice. Okay, so now Clear Voice is actually a platform. You can just take this like a platform where you actually post samples of your content. Okay, you publish content and then people actually potentially get to see it, especially those who want to hire you. Okay, yes, it might not be something like Medium and vocal, but at least it's something that can also fetch you money. Okay, you can actually get people to hire you to write content like this, to make articles like this. Okay, so that's why I actually added it here. So you go over to clearvoice.com and then I'm going to leave the link below. You're going to create an account and then set up this whole thing. Pretty much you write your bio. It's not too hard, and then you can start making articles right off the bat. Okay, so and that's pretty much it. So anytime you have you want to publish a new article, you go over here. Okay, let me talk about how to actually publish articles in all these platforms. Now for Medium, to post an article, you go over here to write. Okay, if you click write, you can now make your story. Okay, you can now make your story how you want it. Okay, you put the title and you now start writing whatever you got from this part, or if you actually know how to write, fine and good, you can do that. Then for vocal is actually to create a story, and then you actually get started creating a story and then potentially have it out there making you money. And then for Clear Voice, you go over here to the down tab where you have add content. I'm going to create contents that are going to look something like this on your on your dashboard. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now these three platforms are the best. There are a lot of them out there, but I don't want to confuse you with too much information. These are the best for me and especially to get started. And imagine if you have articles going here, three of them simultaneously. Okay, so you have three platforms potentially making you money from articles you are creating, and that way, instead of just making writing your hobby, is a good thing to have a hobby, but it's actually better to actually monetize it and make money out of what you love doing, right? That's actually the goal. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I believe you've learned a lot. Welcome to the Watch Learn Club. I appreciate you guys a lot who watch my video all the way to this point. I encourage you to keep doing so. You guys motivate me to keep making these videos where I actually learn a lot. Okay, so I believe you learned a lot. Make sure to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel so you get alerted whenever we produce awesome content like this for you guys. We're always giving you the best. We want to give you the best. We want to teach you everything we know in terms of making money online. Okay, so this kind of content is monetizes. You make sure to subscribe and have a notification and also like that video so I get recommended to other people who are actually looking for something like this. You can also share this to your friends and invite your friends to join the family so they learn too. Okay, so remember the ebook I talked about, make sure to get it, and also the link to our digital marketing kit is going to be down below for digital marketers out there, either you're marketing your business or that of your clients. We have SEO checklists, we have social media calendars, email marketing checklists, paid ads checklists, a lot of resources that digital marketers will be needing for their day-to-day marketing activities. So if that interests you, the link is going to be down below. You're going to get it, and also all the links I've mentioned in this video are going to be down below. So I'm going to see you in the next one, guys. As usual, stay safe. Peace.